Assignment 9 number 6. Meron tayong given na positive 3 and positive 12. Tapos may function tayo na f of x equals square root of 3 ay square root of x cubed plus 2x squared minus x squared. And first step, check natin yung nasa loob ng radical kung dapat ano siya, greater than or equal to 0 siya. Dahil once na mag-negative siya, magiging ano agad siya, undefined and maglilig yun sa discontinuous. Bali, hanapin natin kung, check natin kung negative ba yung ano, value sa loob. G of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 2. Ayun yung nasa loob. Kasi sasubstitute natin yung 3 dito. Magiging 3 cubed plus 2 times 3 squared minus 3 plus 2. Ay 27 plus 18 minus 3 plus 2. Ay magiging 44 siya. And alam naman natin mas mataas yung 44 sa 0. Yun sa 12 naman. G of x ay g of 12 equals 12 cubed plus 2 ay 2 times 12 squared minus 12 plus 2. May 1,728 plus 288 minus 12 plus 2. May may 2,006 siya. Mas mataas din yung 2006 sa 0. Since the g of 3 is greater than 0 and g of 12 is greater than 0, we suspect that g of x remain positive interval. And f of x equals square root of x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 2. Masabi natin kung tingin siya. Dahil yung nasa loob, radical ay ano, positive. Ayun lang.